All right, starting to work on replacing the seals for the flap that on the kick panels, and so I got my rivets, and then I got the seal. So now I just need to remove these old rivets and put in the new ones, and then I just simply ordered a little rivet driver. So these rivets here are 1/8 inch, and so you go online and you can get these 1/8 inch rivet drivers. And pretty simple. I did a test run on it, and a couple good hits with the hammer, and that and this. And so what I'm going to do is first I'm going to drill these old rivets out, and then separate it out, and then put a new seal on, and go from there. All right, this is a pain in the butt. I want to drill these out, and the rivets just spun. So it's a pain in the butt. So I got a little mini grinder on my drill, and then drilled on the top of them just enough to wear them down a bit so that I can take a hole punch and just punch out the rest. So I'm just now lifting this up apart right now. So took it apart. Old seal, and then got the new ones. Mesh together like that. So I gotta take that little off of that, and then I'll line up the new seal. Okay, got lined up. Try to get centered as best as possible, and then we've got to cut this area out here for the attachment for the cable. Okay, there we go. All right, now for the new rivets. So on the back side is where the cap of the rivet goes, and then there are two sizes. There's these short ones here, and then the long ones. Okay, the long one holds down this clamp, and that's in the center hole right there. Okay, after looking at it for a while, so I got this up on a vise, some blocks, okay, and to squeeze this seal together, because I was looking at it and it looks like those rivets, I don't think they'll be strong enough to squish and pound down this seal. So this is what I've done. You may not have to do it, but I wanted to make sure that I had a good tight grip on the seal. And then also I've got a little something heavy. I got a little old hammerhead to put the that on, and then I'll hammer it down, see how it goes. All right, all done. New seal, new rivets. It was a little precarious to hold, but this worked well. So I will do the other one, and then put these back in the kick panel, but these are done. Maybe a little bit cleanup, but it's all original, just new seal, new rivets, and all done.